How to add new food in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. Click on search for a food here. Write the name of the food here. Click on it and select any of the food which you want to add here. And you can see here at the top right corner there is a plus mark and tick option. You have to click on it. In this way, food logged, it means that you have added your new food in your diary. Now come back and at the bottom you can see here diary, click on it. Now you can see here that red meat is being added to your chart. Thank you so much. Just make sure watch the complete video and consider your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.